Alright folks, here it is. Happy Switch 2 launch day. This is the Switch 2 bundle with Mario Kart World, which I wasn't going to get the bundle, but it was actually the only one available at the Target I went to after Best Buy completely screwed me on the pre-order. The only difference between this packaging and the bundle is it has this sticker on it, so I don't know. So I wonder if that's going to be one of those valuable stickers. Here about there's the big Nintendo branding. Of course, advertises how it works. There's a Switch 2, emphasizing the portability and, of course, specs. So let me see if I can successfully open this with one hand, because my usual setup is not available today, and I didn't want to wait too long to open it before, so you understand, folks. Alright, let's go here. So here are instructions on how to set it up, and so there you go. Now, if any of you have seen the story, they didn't really pack this too far from the cover. So there was a GameStop that apparently was like stapling receipts onto the cover, which in turn damaged the screen. I don't know if Nintendo's going to have to address that, but yeah, there's Switch 2. It looks very similar to the Switch 1. It's actually pretty light, I'm not going to lie. That surprises me a little bit. We have the Joy-Cons, blue and red, like before. In here, we have the Mario Kart downloaded. No, I'm not going to scratch off the code. You have there's health and safety, HDMI cable, which I probably won't really need if I'm being honest. Have the ends for the Joy-Cons. And then in here, we have, let's see what this is. Oh, this is for you to put the Joy-Cons. So that, yeah, I'm going to definitely be using that. Have the plug, the Nintendo graded plug, although yeah, I believe the plug, so as long as you can find like an adapter that has this in it, then this wire will work with everything. So, and then what is this? What is this? Oh, this is the dock. This is the dock. And there's nothing left there, so that is a very, very brief and rudimentary unboxing of the Switch 2. I'm sure there's other content creators who will make better unboxing videos, but I just wanted to say that I could do it. So I'm going to set this up and start playing, so keep gaming, everyone, and I'd like to know what your story was. Did you have a hard time getting this thing? I had a hard time. I'll put links below on my journey to get a Switch 2, and we'll probably do a podcast about it as well. So if you haven't subscribed to iCritic Live, please do so, and I will see you at the movies, although not anytime soon because I'll be playing Switch 2.